I gotta deposit all the ones I was gonna take to the club. At the drive-thru with this fucking Playboy.
Man, what the fuck? friendly.
No. Oh, I meant to say fuck boy. He's on that Bumblebee, or what is it called?
Are you done?
All right, we're in the XRS. We're gonna go to Walmart.
Oil change.
Oil change time on the Celica. The
JDM.
The JDM 240 compression. Is it a 240 SX?
I wish.
Nah.
I wish it was a 240Z.
240 compression, but it's not a 240 SX. Damn, son.
Damn, son.
All right, well, I'm driving, son. I shouldn't be driving and recording. Clay, what is that right there?
Classic American symbol.
Classic American symbol?
Yeah, dude. It's fucking fire. Look at that.
All right, man. Let's go. So, we are going to do the first oil change. Oh, they're cool. We are going to do the first oil change on the... What? TC. Why are you hating on the TC? You're starting to sound like Evan Jr.
Evan Jr.
Yeah, Evan Jr. hates the TC a lot.
Look, it's an Evo. Holy shit.
An Evo. ES for estúpido.
Estúpido.
Estúpido. But gonna do the first oil change on the
JDM.
cursed Celica. It's still a cursed Celica. Have you had any issues with it?
I don't think so.
No?
Not in a
How many
while.
miles you put on it so far?
I don't know. I think like 4,500.
4,500. All right, I'm gonna stop recording. They might tell me something.
Oh, so cool. So awesome.
This is what you wanted to come to Walmart for? Brian and Toyota Supra with the Targa top that they threw at the middle of the movie, or at the end of the movie.
So
bye-bye.
stupid.
Dude, they emptied all this shit out.
I thought it was a... Wait, what? I thought the eclipse at the beginning of the movie was the Talon or whatever.
No, you stupid.
No, not.
Honda Civic. Those are not the wheels that the Civic comes with.
Honda Civic. What the hell?
Those are not the wheels it comes with.
Knock ass. Here, look, there's a...
You're a knock-ass. Oh, it's not focusing. Focus on this weirdo. All right. What the hell?
This guy needs a new funky.
I guess.
Look, here's your Pac-Man and Galaga.
Pac-Man and Galaga.
Sound cool. Here.
Try me. But I can't play it.
Yeah, you can. You gotta stick your finger in there.
Stick your finger in there. It's a demo, dude. Let's go get your stupid oil. Come on. Come on, we still gotta drive hella.
You gotta drive hella.
You're gonna drive too. You're gonna drive there.
I still got work in the morning at 11.
Just tell your boss, like, shove those cookies up your...
Oh, hell nah. I need a job.
You need a new job?
No, I need a job, like, to keep going.
Oh.
You stupid. Hey, I need a Gatorade bottle.
No, you don't. No, you don't. All right.
Nismo.
Nismo. More like fake mo.
H-Mo.
You're a H-mo.
You're an H-Mo.
What do you do when you put Honda Motorsport with Nissan Motorsport? Oh.
Mo. Carb legal. Wow, that's
What
awesome.
the hell? That is not carb legal.
Yeah, it is. Look,
No,
there's a
it's
sticker
not.
right there.
Officer. Wee.
What the f-
Like a cop. That is not carb legal, though. Dude, what the hell? Your battery tie down's loose, you know that, right? Oh, it is. It extended out. Oh my god, dude. Look.
Oh, shit. It came undone again?
Yeah.
Motherfucker.
Oh, jeez. Did you lose the other piece? Oh, you probably did. Yep, you lost it. Damn, R.I.P. son.
Rip, son.
Rip. Hackintosh. Why you put those on?
Why you shut up?
Beauty covers, as Scotty Kilmer calls it.
That's your boyfriend.
Man, that's you dream about him at night.
Whoa.
Oh, jeez. All right, so he's gonna do the oil change.
I'm not gonna do shit except for sit here.
I'm not sitting if I'm standing, right?
Valve cover leak?
Where?
Look right here.
Huh. Did we change the valve cover gasket? No, we didn't,
we
huh?
did not.
No, we didn't. Well, more money. More money into the Frankenstein cursed Celica. Damn, what a white girl. Alright.
Anyways, well, it's just first oil change, and I might change the exhaust.
Trash. Anyways, since I also got to do a video, this is going to be his first oil change on the 2ZZ since we put it in. He says it's been running fine. So, start taking it out. Only quality. I'm running a Morosa oil pan and I need 6 quarts now. Ugh.
Yeah, sounds about right.
All right, hurry up.
It's good to be me, man. Wow.
Shut your ass up.
You're
Cringe.
jelly.
Dude, this guy's all cringe, dude, with this. Where's your supercharger at?
Yeah, where is my supercharger?
Where is it? Fucking install it. Stop lagging on it. Fucking Tinder and Bumble dates and shit.
Oh,
All he's
why you
been-
calling me
that's
out?
all
It's
he's
family
been
friendly.
That's all he's been doing. Fucking moves to the Bay Area, just all about that, you know. Because there's nothing going on in Calville.
I ain't no mummies.
Oh, jeez. All right, dude, hurry up, because... Damn, that's a lot of oil, dude. It looks clean, honestly.
What oil they using in Japan, bro? Look,
This
I dropped the
guy.
towel in there.
Oh, God. Well, I don't see any particles.
Here, well, let me empty those two in there.
Yeah, empty it, and then we'll put it back in there and see it from a better view. While he's doing that, I'm over here installing my cold air intake and my ECU before we leave to SoCal.
Pour it? You want to pour
Sorry, environmentalist, but look what Clayton did.
it? Damn, you got exposed.
What a fucking anti-unenvironmentalist kid he is. Please don't drip this. Okay. After, oh God. All the environmentalists are going to come and be like, we're going to go after Clayton, blah, 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 blah. They're going to tag your car. They're going to be like, he's a phony. A great big phony.
GT.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, this is bad. This is bad. Very, very bad. Oh my God. Jeez.
Pour concrete.
Poor concrete, man. All right, moment of truth. Is there any oil particles in this?
Engine particles?
Engine particles?
It's a fucking towel.
Oh my God. You done fucked up.
Shut up.
Uh,
I think it's...
those are all bubbles, aren't they?
Look at the bottom.
Oh, what is all that? I think those are bubbles, dude.
Yeah, those are bubbles.
Yeah, those are bubbles. What is that right there? What is that right there?
Ah, shit.
What is that?
Oh, look right there.
What?
Unless I think it's a leaf.
What is that right there?
It's shiny. Oh, look right here. That's gold. Do you see that?
That's your bearings, dude. You're probably smashing on this car too hard.
I don't even smack on this thing. Oh, look. And then my price.
Is it?
That's gold right there.
Here, it's right here on my finger.
Bean ass hands.
Where'd it go?
Is that right there?
Oh, it broke apart. It broke. into pieces. I don't know if that was bearing. It doesn't feel like it. Oh well. If
Right
it's,
there.
I don't think it's bearing though. Man, this thing is not focusing.
Oh, you see that gold piece on my finger?
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Focus. I don't know, Clay. Bearings aren't gold either. You know that, right?
Synchros? Oh no, this is manual.
Bearings. Rod bearings. Freaking noob. Doesn't know about. Look, your eyes are red. Fucking queer. Oh my god. What was it from Yu-Gi-Oh? Red Eyes Black Dragon?
Blue eyes.
No, there was a Red Eyes Black Dragon that Kaiba had. Or,
Dude, I didn't watch Yu-Gi-Oh! That's past my
I
time.
don't know if it was Kaiba or Yugi's friend, I believe, the Joey.
Dude, that's past my time.
Oh, you're fucking.
Dude, Yu-Gi was late 90s.
If you guys remember who I'm talking about, I think there was a Blue Eyes White Dragon and there was a Red Eyes Black Dragon that Yugi's friend, the guy with the green vest or sweater, jacket, whatever, he had one. I'm pretty sure that was him. But Clayton's too young. All he remembers was there was like water in the exhaust.
God damn it, Bobby.
God damn. All right, finish up your oil change with your fucking mess, dude. What the hell? Environmentalist, come kick his ass on my driveway. Fuck. Damn. Tacky ass cuts. This is how he rolled to the meat. Oh, he's hella cool.
Alright. Wanna check the oil dipstick at all before we start it or not?
Damn. Why homegirl gotta be chasing after his man like that?
Oh, hell no.
You see that?
Yeah.
The guy's walking on the sidewalk and the girl's just like putting in reverse with her brakes. All
Reverse, Terry.
squealing.
Nope.
Damn, she's really good at driving backwards. She's a tow mater. Actually, let me put the flash on.
It's on there. See, look, it's right below it. Let's hop on.
Alright. You know your car better than I do. Fucking environmentalist, we're sorry. Oh, ECU relearn's already done on the Corolla. So, just letting it idle so that it can relearn its idle procedure. And damn, she's still over there chasing after her man. Come get your mans. Alright, knock, 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 knock. Who's there? You have rod bearings.
Oh, no, kidding.
Damn, Joseph, kick his ass. That's a little loud.